I'm a huge fan of these butter cookies from Denmark. What I love most is that they're not too sweet and they pair perfectly with coffee or tea. By the way, I hang on to the tin because it's perfect for storing my own homemade cookies. Let's have a look at the individual cookies close up. This one is my favorite, the vanilla ring. It's kind of shaped like a wreath with a buttery flavor and a hint of vanilla, nice and crisp when you bite into it. Now this one's called the pretzel style. It's the one with the sugar on top, a little crunchier and just lightly sweet, great for coffee or tea. The country style is the plain round cookie, straightforward, buttery, and firm enough that you can dunk it without it falling apart. The coconut style is my second favorite. It has a tiny bit of coconut flavor and a rougher crunch. This one is the Finnish style, and it happens to be the one my grandkids love best. It's a little on the thin side, so it crunches easily. The kids love to dunk it in milk. Now, I keep a tin of these cookies on hand for those surprise visits from family or friends, and as a grandpa, well, having tasty cookies ready for the grandkids just comes with the territory.